Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 has arrived on the scene and with it some of the cases. Even though new foldables by Samsung are more durable and protected bodies thanks to tough Gorilla Glass Victus IPX8 water resistance, but they still need some additional protection. In my previous video, I have talked about the best official cases that are available from Samsung. You can check that video, its link is in the description and in the cards. Today's video will be regarding the third-party cases for the Galaxy Z Flip 3, which are affordable and beautiful cases, and even some of them are more even durable than the official Samsung cases. Hey, what's up guys, we are back again with another video. So starting from the Galaxy Z Flip 3 first case, if you're looking for maximum thinness and minimum weight, you're looking for, well, look no further than a skin case from Spigen. The case is made out of polycarbonate, which means it's tough and scratch resistant. There are small limbs around the camera and screen for added protection. Also, it's come with the coating to help keep the surface clean and free of fingerprints. The case comes in black and shiny cream color option, which is definitely going to be looking great. As far as the pricing of that particular case, it will cost you around $26. The second case in the list is going to be clear and transparent case. Basically, that case is coming from Ridging Slim, which gave you everything you need in a transparent case. First of all, you have the option to choose between a matte surface or a reflective one. Additionally, there is a lanyard hole for you to attach a strap, charm or whatever you wish to it. The case is thin, so it is not only looks but it also feels like it isn't there, which means that this is not going to be a case which is durable. But if you want to showcase your device and have some protection from scratches, then this case is definitely for you. Pricing for that particular case will be around $22. The third case in the list is going to be OrthoBox Thin Flex series. The Thin Flex series case coming from OrthoBox offers a safe plate, and if you're looking for more protection, it drops plus rated, meaning that it will be tested and proven to withstand many drops. It's also scratch resistant and covered in an antimicrobial coating that helps to keep them nasty germs away. What's even better is that the case is made up of 90% recyclable plastic. It will cost you around $50. The cost of that particular case is going to be of $50. Well guys, final case in the list is going to be coming from VRS Quickstand Active. The Quickstand Active by VRS is probably the bulkiest of the bunch, but it offers a great protection and utility. Besides its sturdy structure, it also offers a protection for the hinge when the phone is closed or semi-open. There is also a stand that you can use either vertically or horizontally. It comes with a metal black, matte black and a green color option, so definitely this is going to be a great option to have if you wanted to have maximum protection for your device. The cost for that particular case will be around $29. And here guys, that is it in this particular video. I hope this video has helped you out in some way. Do consider subscribing my channel. Peace.